See students, determinant of first data equal to what will be. So whenever all elements equal, no doubt data equal to 0. Okay. So let's find also. See here 1 into 1 minus 1. So minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 1. Understand? So here 1 into 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0. So it is 0. So that's why it is 0. That's why you have to take now A equal to 2 by 2 matrix 1 1 1. So it's a determinant also 0 only. Why? Because 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1. So equal to 0. So finally A equal to, let's take 1. Okay, its determinant is 1, not equal 0. So rank of A is equal to 1.